Hello everyone, I'm Sweta this side. Today in this session, I'll tell you how we are doing the sales, mostly when it comes to lead generation and sales perspective. So let me show you each and every step in a proper way so that you will get in clarity on that what we can do and what are the competence we have. Okay. So this is the slide which I am going to present right now so that you will get a clarity on this. So it's all about that. So let's check it out this one. This is the perfect flow, sales flow, where I have written like sales pros and cons, what are the problems which we are facing as a salesperson, lead generation tools and ideas, how to sell. Okay, so these are the things which we just need to know, like when before going ahead to do any kind of sales activities. All right, how to start with. So let's have a look into this. So here you will get in clarity on that. So first of all, I have mentioned that success start with take the responsibility, then good networking, problem solver, customer target, help each other, niche your startup, brand awareness, dominate the market, keep doing the same. So let me tell you how to start with. When it comes to any kind of startup, at that time you need to be responsible for your work. You need to take a responsibility of the work and you need to work on this in a vigorous way. So there is no any kind of like compromise in that, because something is like you just need to give your 100% when it comes to startup, and you just need to work on this on a like vigorous manner. Otherwise you will just like it. You can go ahead with this. Okay, then good networking skill. You should have a good networking skill with each and everyone. Mostly when it comes to networking, for a startup, networking is all about their business contact, their business details, or any kind of, if you attend any kind of events, you should have a good network over there. You can have a contact details over there. You can make you should have like make good friends over there, so that you can contact with them in the future. So these are the details you should have that actually help you in the future. Be a problem solver. You are helping your clients or your customer to solve their problem. And custom target, you have a custom target for that as well. Like your target customer is very like customized, that you can't target to each and everyone. That should be very specific clients which you are targeting. Help each other, because when it comes to startup, one should help another startup. For an example, I am providing some kind of service, and another startup which providing another service, but that is kind of support for us. So I am also helping that startup and they are also helping us. It's a kind of good helping to each other. Sometimes if you help each other, it means that you have more bandwidth, more network bandwidth. So it actually helps you a lot when it comes to business. Then brand awareness, create through this only, help to each other when it comes to branding. And dominate the market, keep doing the same. Okay, so then how to start a business. Okay, so let me tell you about this. Perfect business template is required for that. LinkedIn profile optimize you should have. Then Facebook profile or ad, business name with email ID is required, and then register your business. So these are the things you need for your work. Okay, then third slide, research. So you just need to research on your niche, which are the who are your target customer. You just need to get know about it, their service, what are the services which you are providing to your clients. And customization, you just need to customize your ad, you just need to customize your content, you just need to customize your target audience details. Okay, so based on that you need to work accordingly. Lead generation actually works in this three way. First of all, you just know like who are your target customers. That is the first niche. Target within the niche, you just get another niche as well. Like for an example, if I am talking for education, then educational tech is one industry which I am targeting. Okay, because that is based on the technological field, so it is a like niche within the niche. So it's a like brand with like it's a kind of niche within the niche. So it's a kind of, it will help you to get more into customization. If you target to educational industry, you can't reach out to all the people, because that is not your target audience. Your target audience is educational tech. So likewise you just need to check it out in that way. then what are the services which you are providing and what services are beneficial to which client. You just need to customize that as well. Then customizes on ad, customizing, finding like customizing mostly for target audience, customizes content like email marketing, whether it's come to LinkedIn marketing or the marketing that should have customized based on the target audience. Okay, then tools, what are the tools which you can use for yourself, that is the very much important. So you should know like what are the tools you should use for yourself, that you should keep it in your mind like okay, these are the tools I gonna use, and make sure that these tools are very much important for you, or make sure that you are utilizing the tools in a proper way, because you need to spend like per month you are spending like 10 more than 10 to 20,000 for all the tools, because there are many tools are there which are very important, along with that those are very useful as well. Okay, so this is all about the tools part is finished. Then set up prospect, how you can set up your prospect. First one is the social media, then email and freelancing site, family and networking. So you just need to get this prospect. You can reach out to prospect through the social media sites. Different social media sites are there like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter. There are many social media sites are there where you will get all the kind of prospect over this. Then email and freelancing site, these are the sites where you will get all the kind of freelancing sites. You will get so many project and all, and email marketing also you can do it. Then family, friends and clients, so these are the kind of networking you can say. Family, friends and clients, mostly where you like you can tell your friends to give like any lead for yourself for you. So for an example, if your friend is working any kind of technical field, you can tell them like these are the I want some kind of service like this. So in this way you can get more clients into this. Okay, or if you have previous any network, you can also approach to them as well. Networking, attend different events and different webinars, so it will help you a lot to get a proper lead. Okay, set up a goal and track it. Okay, set up how you can set up a goal and track it. So tracking system, there are many ways are there why it is very much important, because you have set a goal but without tracking that is a kind of meaningless, there is no value into that. So you should have a proper tracking system to track your work, so that you can get know okay, these are the works which I have done. So they should have a proper tracking system. And email tracking, spend 2 to 3 to 4 hours for track your work and set a goal and start executing it. Okay, then online event site, there are many online event sites are there where you just need to register over there. You need to tell that which brand you have, and you should have prepare a pitch for that, like okay, these are the when you attend those events, you just need to tell them like I am from this company and this is what we are doing and all. So you should make a proper pitch for that as well. Okay, so webinars, so there are also like these are the 20 steps you can follow for your webinars and VLS. Okay, video or sales letter should have like be 9 to 15 minutes, and email like this is for like for if you are sending any video mail and also this is video sales mostly, where it should be within 9 to 15 minutes, and if you can send it through WhatsApp or LinkedIn messages, YouTube and all. So these are the things where you can send your video messages or mostly video sales messages and all. Webinar take 40 to 50 minutes. So 20 step to framework for VLS and webinar to generate clients. Okay, so first important thing is what are the important steps which you need to follow to get a good client from the VLS and webinars. So first of all, you just need to introduce yourself in a proper way, that which showcasing about your branding. So you just need to briefly tell about your brand name and tell about like what you are doing. Then after that you just need to like then after that you just need to quick introduction about who you are, and you just need to like overview of the strategy, which then yeah, this is all about the when it comes to when you are attending any webinars. So when it comes to BLS, so at that time BLS is all about the video sales strategy. Video sales strategy, what are the things you need to put over there? First of all, you need to put any your brand name, then your brand strategy, like your brand mission and vision. Then after that, you just need to put your testimonials over there. If you have any testimonial, you can put over there. Then you just need to put like any kind of, you need to put some make your videos in such a way that if someone will open the video, they will get, and like there will be good engagement ratio will be there. It should be very attractive, it should be engaging. Okay, and you are solving the problems of your clients. That is very important. Through the video, you are sending a message that how you are solving or helping your clients. So that is what you need to put it over there. So what are the things you need to audit these sites before you moving ahead? So you just need to audit your Facebook pixel or landing page and website before moving ahead, because many times whatever we are doing, like sometimes we are just ignoring some things. Okay, website is very much critical, because sometimes if most of the people are coming from the mobile only, because most of the people checking out from the mobile. If your website is not mobile friendly, then the website is nothing, like meaningless. So therefore you should have a proper website which is mobile friendly. Then your landing page, like which is into CTA, which landing page should have a proper response, that should be like very eye catchy, which actually have a proper information, contactor details, all the contactors fill up details, and which showcasing. If you want to have any promotional activities, you can do it on a landing page. Like how to do a proper landing page, if you just check it out, many websites they have put their landing page details, like okay, reach out to like if you just refer your friends and get 20% discount on this. So this is called as a promotional strategy on the landing page. So you should have a proper landing page which is mobile friendly as well. When it comes to Google, mostly I think Google has those who are doing the Google ad, they should be very expert in that. But Facebook, when it comes to Facebook at that time, mostly like everyone can do it, but most of the time people actually forget about Facebook pixel, which is very much important. So they should think about it before going ahead, because most of the time Facebook block that just because of the issue in the Facebook pixel. So they should audit these are the things before moving ahead. Okay, so these are the email marketing tool. Email per day, at least 75 to 100 emails per day. Then content strategy, that should be content should be very minimal. Along with that, you should email sequence, like first you just need to send them the direct offer, then there will be any kind, there will be like any follow-up mail, and then if you then if possible, then once again you can send them any kind of, if the website has any kind of like information they have, so you can showcase to them, like these are the things they have any you can showcase to them. Okay, so this is all about this. Then company information. Okay, so this is how you just need to put over there. Then valuable information like chief founder, these are the people information also need to put over there. Okay, so mostly you are targeting to these are the people. So LinkedIn search here also industry wise, geographic wise, company headcount, revenue wise, these are the details. This is how you need to do the LinkedIn lead generation, LinkedIn search and pinpoint. So mostly you are targeting to high-ended customers, sending too much people, too much time to get the prospect lead and all, no time to for budget allocation, slow results. So these are the pain points in LinkedIn sales profile. Okay, you need to be very careful when it comes to like LinkedIn pain points. So in my recent video I have shared how to do with the LinkedIn lead generation. If you have any doubt, you can share with me so that I can work on this LinkedIn lead generation. Okay, LinkedIn sales and business objective, and this is what your short term and long term goals should be this much. Okay, so this is how you can work on this. If you have any doubt on this, you can ping me on this so that I'll tell you about how to work on this and all. LinkedIn sales notable attribution. So this is what I can do for you. So you just need to ping me for these are the activities and all. How to get perfect prospect. So this is also I can do for you. And preparation. So this is what I can do for you. So this slide is all about this totally into like lead generation strategy. So this is what I just show you, like, so that you will get an clarity on that, like what I can do, so that in future if you have any requirement, you just need to ping me, or you can just open my website Com-Infosys, and you can send me the contact, you just fill your contact details over there, so that I can again go like follow up with you regarding to the like any lead generation quotation and all. So I can do it for you. You don't need to take the tension for this. I am here to help you out on this. Okay. So if you have any issue in this, just connect with me or contact me, or so that I'll just help you in this. Okay. So performance indicator is mostly number of leads. Below average is 30 leads, average is 30 leads, best client is 30 leads. So schedule that is below average is 12 schedules, and average is 18 schedules, and best for best client it should be 22 schedules. So interested clients, below average is at least 4 should be interested clients should be there, average will be 12 clients, and best client will be 17. It's all about like performance indicator. You can showcase, you can see that okay, this how many leads are there. Mostly if you, in a month if you generate 30 leads, if it is all about the total, like it is a high ended customers I have met this. So if you see, like if you get near about 30 leads, and out of that 12 is has been scheduled, 12 interview or the meeting has been scheduled, and out of them are 4 are interested and 1 to 2 are closed, then it is just like below average, because only 1 or 2 are closure leads are there. So when it comes to 10 closure leads, it means that there is a good number. Okay, so then this is how you can just have a look into this, how the performance indicator. Okay, so in this session I have tell you about how to do, how I'm doing this yes, sales and all, how I'm doing this lead generation. If you have any doubt, if you want to do any kind of lead generation, just ping me, just contact me, or else you just need to fill the contact details in my website, so that I will contact with you, and we can have a collaboration, and I can work out for you for the lead generation part. Okay, so you don't need to worry for that. Therefore I am here. Kindly subscribe my channel, check other videos to get more ideas about my work, how I am doing, and mostly about the lead generation part. Thank you all. Have a